Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show you hue saturation image adjustment layer inside Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have already opened a beautiful image which I have collected from Pixabay. So as you know, these are destructive methods of working. You can find this from image menu and adjustment and hue saturation. Also you can access it from here, hue saturation, and also you can access it from here, new adjustment layer and hue saturation. I am opening it, and now you can see this is our hue saturation image adjustment layer. So hue means color or color wheel, and saturation means intensity of the color. So you can see here is you find few pre-made preset. You can use this. Also here is master slider. This is red slider, yellow slider. Each and here is few magentas, blues, cyans, every few slider here. Also you can pick up this slider by clicking this icon. You can see now an eyedropper tool has been appeared. So if you click here, you can see that here is the mode will be appeared. I am clicking here, and you can see this is now cyan. After clicking this, you can adjust the saturation of this mode or cyan color. So if I move it to the right side, you can see it is updated the saturation or increase the saturation. Or if I move it to the left side, then it is desaturated this color. So I am releasing the mouse. This is cyan. Also if I picked this color, you can see this is red. You can also adjust the saturation of this color. So in this way you can use this. Also here is hue, saturation and lightness layer. Also here is another layer which is colorize. You can colorize any image using this. Now you can adjust the hue, saturation or lightness. You can adjust this color by using this. Also if you want to reset this, you can reset this. It will turn back to the original image. And also you can especially target and color. You can see I am clicking here and this is red. You can see there is some slider. You can especially isolate this color from here. You can see you can isolate this color and you can adjust from here. This is lightness and here. So in this way you can adjust your image using hue saturation layer. This is a very versatile adjustment layer. So that is for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel